Want to turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily turn on two-factor authentication. First thing first, move into Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, now what you need to do is move into your profile at the bottom right. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, move into Account Center. Head over to Password and Security. You'll see two-factor authentication. Click on it. Select your Instagram account. Tons of different ways in order for you to turn on authentication will be available to you. Get the SMS on Instagram or your number. Well, once you enable this option, you'll receive the verification code on your number or WhatsApp number whenever you log in into your account. You can also try installing Authentication app. After that, you will be good to go. So this is simply how you can turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.